First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, today I am going to discuss how to add list in a web page, and that list can be the ordered list, unordered list, description list, and the nested list. One by one, I will discuss this all list. So you just see on the board. Students, when I'm talking about the order list, it means my list of items must be in a sequence. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm going to write a short program. Using this short program, you can understand how you can take benefit of ordered list. Just wait, my dear. Now see it. First, I will start with HTML. As you know, HTML is the first, or in the way you can say it is the root element of your HTML document. Next part you have head. Next, the title. So what do you want to mention in the title? Suppose it is related to my list, then I will write order list slash title. My title part is also completed. Now, the next part, that is slash head. As you know, what the four tags that I will use in making a document that contains HTML, head, title, and the body. So already head I have completed. Now the next part will be body. Now as I have to work on order list, then I must start with the OL tag. Okay. Now it depends on you, my dear, that in order list, which type of list you want to have. Which type of list you want to have. There are different lists. 1, 2, 3, 4, capital A, B, C, D, small a, B, C, D, yes, Roman, capital 1, 2, 3, 4, and Roman small 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to show you that with the output that I have to show it on the web browser. Here it should have A, birds, B, animals, C, plants. I have to go for this order. Then I must have to check it. My list is starting from the beginning or from other position. It is from A, so I must write OL start equal to 1 and type equal to A. Students, if suppose your list of items is not given, instead of A, you have E, that is E, F, G. What the changing you have to do, my dear, instead of start equal to 1, you have to give start equal to 5. Okay. If your sequence is 5, 6, 7 in number, then what the changing you will do it? Here you will write type equal to 1 and here it will be start equal to 5. Got it? Now, I have to go for the items. So I will use LI. LI means list item. What are the items? Birds, animals, and plants. So I will write here birds. I will write here animals. I will write here plants. Okay. And then slash OL. Okay. And then slash body and at last slash STL. Okay, so this way I can do my task using order list. Okay, next friends, I am going to discuss how to use unordered list. That means the list which has no sequence, which has the same symbols used in each and every item. Where? At the left side. Now, I don't want to use my sequence in this way. There are three symbols. Okay, one is disk, another one is circle, another one is square. Okay, I want this disk. See, if I have to go for unordered list and these items to be displayed having the bullets disk, then what the changing I will do in this program? First of all, I will give the title here. Unordered list. And now, instead of OL, I will go for UL. UL means unordered list. UL now. Type equal to this. Students, please keep it in mind. In ordered list and unordered list. In ordered list, you have two attributes. What are the two attributes? First one is start and another one is time. But in unordered list, you will have only one attribute, that is time. Because here the starting, ending position to be not mentioned, my dear. So why I will write here start? So in that case, I will use UL. Okay. Other one will be as it is, but instead of OL, I will use UL tag. So this HTML document will help me to have the items having the same bullets. Now students, I'm going to discuss how to use description list. Students, first of all, you have to know what is the use of description list. If suppose you want to use the term and definition. Suppose I want to define data. What is data? That is raw facts and figures. Okay, this is my term and this is my definition. So I want my term and definition should be shown in two different lines in such a way, then I will go for the description list. But when I am using the description list, you must have to use the three tags. One is the DL, another one is the DT, and the last one is DD tag. So here I am going to show you description list. Now, I have used my term data. So first of all, I will start the data list. Now, what is my term? Data. What is my data definition? That is the facts and figures. And then slash DL. Students, in some book you will see you have slash DT. You have slash DD. Okay. So don't be confused. You can write your description list in such a way where only you have to show the data list as a container tag and DT and DD as non-container tag. Okay. So you can see on the screen. So this way you can do your description list. Now, students, when I'm going to use the nested list, then I must be careful because here I can have the mixture of order and unordered list, or I can have the mixture of ordered list only or the mixture of unordered list. I'm giving some example. You can see. If suppose I have written birds, okay, and here I am going to show peacock, crow. This is A, this is this, okay. B, animals. Here I can have 1, 2, cow, dog. Okay, next one. Next one, C, plants. Okay, or suppose flowers. Here I am going to use first rose, second jasmine. Okay. Now, see students, here I am going to show my nested list. Suppose I want to have lotus. Now you watch carefully, my dear. A, B, C. This one is in a sequence, but after A, bird, it is showing peacock and crow, but it is not having B and C. Here your series fails. That means your series is there, but you have the temporary series, because after having one item your series fails and you get another series. Again, when this item starts, you have different series. So in that case, you must have to go for the nested list. So let me erase this all. As it is a long document, my dear, so I am dividing this one into parts. Okay, first part I will write here and the rest part I will write, yes, at the right side. Now, first I will start with HTML. Next I will use head. Next I will use title. So what I will keep title? Nested list. And then slash title. Then I will go for slash head and then body. Now, you just hide these parts. You hide this. You hide this and this. What the sequence you will have? A, B, C. A birds, B animals, C flowers. Only this you have to follow. So I am going to write here order list. A start equal to 1. Type equal to A. Now, it means that now I am going to start from first. Okay, that is A position first. Okay, then B and then C. So what is my first item? My first item is birds. Okay. Now, friends, I'm not going to use slash OL because B is continued here, C is continued here. Okay. Now I will think about these two items. Okay. I will think about peacock and crow. So what I will write? First, you think which type of list it is? An order list. So I will use here UL. Type equal to this. And what are the items that you write here? Li. My first item is peacock. Next item is crow. Now, students, you have to be very careful because after crow, your next bullet is not there and it is closed permanently because this bullet is not continued in another place. So I must use slash un. Now this part already completed. This part already completed. Now I will not use OL start equal to 1 type equal to A because already A is continued. So only I will use the item animals. Okay. Now next part I am writing at the right side. Okay. Animals I continue. Now I will think about this cow and dog. So what I will use here? OL because it is my order list. So OL type equal to small Roman and start equal to beginning. That is 1. Now what are the two items? Cow and dog. So use li cow, li dog. See, these two items are here. but again it is stopped, permanently stopped. So I will use slash OL. This also I have worked. Now the next one is the flowers. So what I will do here, I will use LI flowers. Listen, my dear, you don't think that why sir has not used OL. See, I have already started. I have not closed. This one first part, this one is my second part, and this one is my third part. Now it is up to you. You want to close it permanently because after C no D is there. You can use slash OL. But whenever you are doing such type of HTML document, you try to use at last, not in between. In between, if you use, you yourself will be confused. So I'm not going to stop. Now I will think about this. So I will use OL type equal to capital Roman and start equal to 1. And what are the items? Rose. Next item, lotus. And close slash OL. This also I have completed. After that, there is no more data, no more items. So I will close finally for this ABC also using slash OL. And then slash A, and then slash body, and then slash HTML. So using this, I can do my work, using, nested lists. Okay, I hope you all have understood, my dear. Thank you, my dear. But